Hey guys, Tim at Bigtoolrack here. I want to talk to you about the new YardRack and what to expect. The YardRack is a very unique product. It basically turns your tractor into a mini pickup truck. It allows you to carry tools you couldn't normally carry on the tractor. So it gives you that ability, and that's why it was developed. I wanted a way to be able to carry items with me, whether it's clippers, chainsaws, shovels, rakes, take those with me out on my property and not have to try and carry them on my lap. I know a lot of you try and carry things on your lap, it's not safe. Take it off this wall bracket, and this will plug into any standard 2-inch receiver. You can see on the heavy hitch here, we're going to plug it right in to heavy hitch. Plugs in, goes in with one pin, and that's how easy it is to connect the YardRack to your tractor using the heavy hitch and using the quick hitch setup that we have here. And like I said earlier, this rack folds up out of the way. You can also hook a trailer ball to it. It also comes with this strap to strap it in the upright position, so you can hold this here and strap it around and keep it up. If you want to put it away in your garage on the tractor, it will store in the same space that your tractor is in. So, the great part about it is this rack will work on RTVs, ATVs, gators, compact tractors, subcompact tractors. Anything that has a 2-inch female receiver, the YardRack will work on. If you want to learn more information about this, visit us on our website, bigtoolrack.com, and we'd be happy to share that information with you.